Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed in the last trading session on Friday, that was on 27th of May, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 30th of May, Monday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the European indices in last trading session, European indices, especially Germany, closed in green. Same was the case with France and UK. If we talk about the Asian indices, particularly China, uh, China gave the mixed signals. A couple of indices were in green, a couple of indices were in red, so there is a mixed signals from the Asian markets. If we talk about US closed in good green. Nasdaq was up by 3.3%. Dow Jones 1.76% and S&P 500 2.47%. So seems like the US market has made a bottom now and trying to recover. If we talk about Nifty is at 16,352. If you look at the FII figures, FIIs have sold for 1,943 crores. DIs have bought for 2,727 crores. My bad for the figures. Let's go to the Nifty on a 15-minute chart. On a 15-minute chart, what we can see is from 26th of May, we saw a short covering towards the second leg of the trading session, and on Friday it was more like a range bound session where it was in range from 16,350 to 16,250. So the market was consolidating in a 100-point range, so it is showing that the market is trying to move to a higher levels. So that's the case as of now. Let's look at the resistance level for tomorrow. The first resistance level is 16,400 to 420, followed by 16,500, which is a massive resistance for this weekly series. And then if this is broken, then definitely 16,600 to 620 is on card. If we talk about the support level, the first support level is 16,280, followed by 16,180 to 200, and then 16,080. These are the levels for Nifty. If we go to the option chain to validate the levels, we are at 16,150 as of now. So what we need to, just a second guys, we are not at 16,050, we are actually at, it seems like the data is not uploading. Yeah, now the data has come up. Yes, we are 16,352. So 16,350 is the zone where call writers are more as compared to the put writers. But since we are expecting a gap up opening tomorrow, we can see the short covering, and this will push the 16,500 level where the call writers are more in number as compared to the put writers, which acts as a resistance for this weekly series. On the support side, 16,000 is definitely going to be a strong support for this weekly series. Let's go to the Bank Nifty. On Bank Nifty, we saw a gap up, and then it was more or less a stronger session for the Bank Nifty. Banks are doing well, whether it is a PSU bank or a private bank, the banking sector is strong. And same is the case with Nifty Financial Services, wherein Bajaj Finance and all the other companies are doing well. Now we are at 36,600. The first resistance is 35,600, followed by 35,750, and then 35,900. If this is broken, then 36,000 is the ultimate resistance for this weekly series. On support side, 35,350, followed by 34,980 to 35,000. These are the resistance, these are the support levels for this weekly series. Bank Nifty is pretty strong, so we can expect a sharp up move in the coming days. So let's refresh the data. We are at 35,600, where we can see 35,500 is in the grip of put writers, and 35,000 will act as a support for this weekly series. Let's go to the resistance. On resistance, 36,000 is a strike price where I can see a good number of call writers, but these call writers are very close to the ATM strike price, so we can say that 36,500 can act as a resistance for this weekly series. That's all for this video friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.